Welcome back to another episode of Wheel of Fossils, where we take a look behind the scenes at a paleontologist's private collection.
Looks like we're in drawer number 12 today, and right down here in this drawer, picking up the smallest object in that drawer, we're going to get a good look at an interesting honeycomb-like pattern. Now, we've talked a lot about prismatic cartilage on this page, so the skeletal structure of sharks and rays. And this is that same structure. However, it doesn't belong to a shark or a ray. If we look closely on this, we can see that those honeycomb prisms are elongated. They're stretched out. And that's because this comes from the snout or the rostrum of a sawfish. So that really funny looking animal in the cartilaginous group of fish that has that saw-like beak or rostrum, the snout. Now, sawfish have a few different types of cartilage up there in the snout, and this one actually preserves two different, maybe even three different layers of that cartilage. One that looks a little bit more like a bony structure, and then the other that has this nice, really rigid, prismatic honeycomb-like surface. So when you're out on the beach and you're looking for fossils, you really want to keep your eye out for anything that looks like trash or anything that has an unusual pattern that might make you stop and be like, that doesn't belong there. So always pick it up, take a closer look at it, because you never know. You might find a piece of sawfish cartilage.